Since I was a kid, I've always wanted my own secret room. So today, I've decided to build myself a mini bunker. The very first thing to do is clean this area. Just finished cleaning around a bit. Now let's start taking some measurements. Alright, since I'll be digging everything by hand, I've decided to make a very small bunker. 5 feet by 8, with a height of 5 feet. Okay, 8 feet. Alright guys, this is how big it'll be. Do you think I'll fit? Yeah, I think I should fit in there. And after marking the ground and outlining the entire area, even with caution tape, there was only one last thing to do. Shovel, helmet, and safety vest.
Let's get to work.
Achoo! Oh, I almost forgot the gloves, guys. It's exactly 2 p.m. Let's start and see how long it takes. It's only been 30 seconds. The ground is so hard that I've already decided to change tools. Perimeter done. If I'm being honest guys, I'm already tired. This helmet here is already bothering me. Now with this bin here, I have to start removing the soil in between, so we can slowly dig down. Ready, set, go. Quick update, what you see here is exactly 1 hour of digging. The problem guys is that if it were all soil, it would have taken me much less time. Instead, it's filled with rocks, debris, asphalt, tiles, and shingles, which I'm slowly collecting in this pile here. And I'm putting all the soil here. Anyway guys, we've reached a depth of exactly 14.5 inches. What a pain. Even though it's only a few steps away, carrying the soil with that bin there, dragging it on the ground is not good. Tomorrow, I'm gonna go buy a wheelbarrow. I promise. I'd say that's enough for today, guys. I can't do it anymore. See you tomorrow. Day 2 guys, I just got a wheelbarrow. We should be a bit faster. Today's goal is to dig at least twice as deep, which is 30 inches. Ready, set, go. Now we're talking. I mean, look at this, guys. Basically, it has the same rings as the tree growth rings. Each ring should represent a season, so a year. And this one seems to be similar. So technically, how many years did it take to form this? Who knows? If you know the answer, leave a comment below. Okay guys, now let's start with this area here. It's not small, and if I stand here and look at it, it surely won't dig itself. So let's get started. Sometimes guys, you come across huge rocks.
Yeah. Woo.
Okay guys, we're done. Today, I'd say we've done enough. We've basically dug 36 inches, guys. I think next time I'll have to bring a ladder to go up and down. For those who say, come on, it's easy to make a video. Just film yourself for a moment, edit a bit at the computer, try digging 5 cubic meters into the ground, instead of just watching me.
So lazy.
I feel a little better now. See you tomorrow. On day 3, after carefully examining the hole, I decided to call for reinforcements. Randomly texting 2 of my subscribers, I found these 2 guys. Are you ready guys? Today, we're digging. But don't worry, because if you reach the end, there's 50 euros for each of you. And that's why you should subscribe. You could be the next one taking the money, but also to dig. Safety vest and gloves for both of you guys. Let's get dressed and get started.
No.
Okay, let's go. So as you can see, guys, I'm going back and forth with the wheelbarrow while they're digging. The problem is when I'm there with the wheelbarrow, they don't know where to dump the soil. So I went to the nearest hardware store to buy another one. Can I pay with card? Thank you very much. So now that we have two of them, while I go there, they can fill this one. This one here, guys, is a damn digging chain.
Watch out, someone here's getting hot.
Be careful.
When can we take a break? Because we're going straight.
We're working so hard that we broke the first wheelbarrow. Let's see if this one works. It should be polyurethane. It should never break. The problem is that it might be too wide. Now we'll find out. How unlucky, guys. It looks like I'll have to return it. And today, we'll use only one wheelbarrow. Okay, guys, how far are we gotten? Hey, Luca, try to measure it.
Yeah.
So we've reached exactly 5 feet of digging. Let's go eat now. So, guys, what do you want to eat for lunch? What do you think about pizza?
I'll have to.
The guys want pizza. This restaurant is about 2 miles away from here. So let's go. We were so ready to enjoy some pizza and take a well-deserved break.
Got it?
Yeah, we do. After eating pizza and almost reaching Nirvana, we noticed that the excavation was very, very deep. So we decided to borrow a ladder from an old structure on my property. We'll place it like this. What do you think? Oh my goodness, look at this ladder. Look at this. Without hands, guys.
Without hands.
Can we still dig after eating that pizza? How's it going, Luca? How tall are you? 6'2"? I mean, he's 6'2". And if I lower the camera, guys, look. Hey, you guys aren't tired, right?
Until we're done, we won't go home. Freelancer life.
Guys, you know what? 5,000 likes and I'll go buy an excavator for all the future projects. So remember, press the red button and Mike will spend the money. They're almost finished now. I'll start digging for the ventilation system. Basically, here I want to place a pipe that goes all the way here. Here, I want to go up and put a cover to keep the water out, so that we have air circulation inside the bunker. Advanced engineering, guys. Okay, guys, let's go. We're almost there. Let's see where we've reached. 5.6 feet of digging. We're underground, guys. Incredible. Oh, so you also want the money, huh? Okay, 100 euros. Send. Have you received the 100? Perfect. See you tomorrow. Day 4. As you can see, I'm now underground. Today, we'll completely straighten the walls and we'll properly level the bottom. Then we can start with the actual construction of the mini bunker.
It's going to be an incredible project.
Today, I still need helpers. Here they are. Do you want the money today too, guys?
No.
Basically, guys, you see that it's a little crooked here? It's 4 feet there and here it's 5 feet. We basically need to straighten this point here. Okay, I've given you the direction. Now it's up to you. What a straight wall we have here, gentlemen. Better than a construction worker, Luca. Straight, just like a plumb line.
We have the best workers.
If I let these guys go, they'll end up in China. They'll reach the other side. Can you believe it or not?
Oh, look at that.
How's it going, Luca? Everything leveled?
Still a little bit left, but we're getting there.
You look tired, man.
Yeah, I am a little.
After about 3 hours of uninterrupted digging, we finally completed the walls and the bottom, creating a space large enough to do almost anything. Now we need to do a little digging in that corner over there. Actually, Luca, pass me the spray can. So you see this little square here? We need to go down 8 inches right there. That, guys, will be a little treat that you'll see in part 2. What will it be? Incredible, guys. Or better yet, let me know in the comments what you think it might be. Wait, you had a drill like this and you only bring it now? Damn it! Wow, look at the nice little hole you made. On day 5, we'll start putting the boards. That's it for today. Bye, guys. Do you know what these are? The keys to this van. Heading to the hardware store.
Let's go buy the panels.
12 poplar sheets, about 10 posts, and 2 textured membranes. What are these textured membranes for? For a total of 350 euros. Anyway, this here is the membrane. And these little bumps are the textures. Their design comes from these walls. Basically, with these, I'll try to waterproof the entire bunker. Otherwise, these woods here would probably last only 2 days. The first thing to do, then, is to lay the roll inside the bunker. First layer completed. To finish the long side, there were only 20 inches missing. And since the roll was almost 7 feet long, after cutting and laying the last piece, there was a perfect strip left to also complete the short side.
Coincidence? I think not.
But I think I wasted some money on an extra roll. Well, I'll build something else with it. With the 4 corners finished, the bunker was finally waterproof. Guys, this project is becoming something incredible. 5,000 likes are not enough. So 5,000 likes and 2,000 comments from different people, only then I'll buy the excavator for future projects. To help me reach the goal, spam this video to all your contacts. And by the way, when I speak down here, there's a strange echo effect. More than a bunker, it almost looks like the construction of a mini pool. I could consider that. Okay, now comes the most interesting part. Building the entire room with wood. It's perfect, guys. It's perfect. I mean, guys, are you starting to get what I have to do now? Subscribe and hit the bell for part 2. Bye.